the action camera world just got a serious shakeup with the launch of the GoPro Hero 14. But here's the real question: is this the big leap we've been waiting for, or just another polished refresh? Today on GadgetVerse, we're diving deep into what makes this camera exciting, what's actually different, and whether it deserves a spot in your adventure bag. From cinematic 8K shots to rock-solid stabilization, it feels like carrying a gimbal in your pocket. The Hero 14 isn't just about specs, it's about how it performs when the action gets real. Because let's face it, paper specs look great, but they don't always survive the chaos of real life. If you're a traveler, a creator, or someone who loves to push limits, this camera might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. So stick around, let's find out if the Hero 14 is truly worth the hype. Video features and resolution. The Hero 14 flexes its muscles with 8,000 video at 30 fps and super slow 4K at 240 fps. That means buttery smooth slow-motion shots that make every jump, wave, or trail ride look epic. GoPro's signature hyper-smooth stabilization now feels like a mini gimbal built inside no shaky disasters, just cinematic flow. And with enhanced modes like time warp, horizon lock, and higher bit rates, you've got tools to shoot footage that looks more professional than ever. Display and interface for vloggers and solo creators. The brighter front display is a game changer. Framing yourself is finally effortless. The rear screen is snappier, menus load faster, and navigation is silky smooth. It feels less like fiddling with a gadget and more like working with a creative partner that just gets it. Image quality. The new sensor means footage looks sharper, it's richer, and cleaner, even in those tricky low-light moments when most cameras struggle. Night shots show less noise, colors pop more naturally, and HDR support keeps skies and shadows balanced. Still photos also got a major upgrade, good enough for serious projects, yet easy to share straight from the camera. Connectivity and Smart's GoPro has turned the Hero 14 into a creator's ecosystem. Faster Wi-Fi, smoother Bluetooth, and an upgraded app with AI editing suggestions make life easier. Shoot, transfer, and share without the usual headaches. Oh, and live streaming. It now supports higher resolutions, so your audience gets a crystal clear view of your adventures. Design and durability. The Hero 14 still looks like a GoPro, but it feels tougher, sleeker, and more refined. Compact in size, yet rugged enough to handle water, dust, and harsh conditions. Divers, surfers, bikers, hikers, it's built for your world. Not just for the shelf, battery life finale, a GoPro that understands endurance. With better power management, the Hero 14 lasts longer, even when recording at high resolutions. Add in quick charging, and you spend less time waiting, more time capturing. Final verdict: the GoPro Hero 14 isn't just an upgrade, it feels like the start of a new chapter for action cameras. With 8K power, unbeatable stabilization, smarter software, and stronger design. It's easily one of the most capable cameras GoPro has ever made. For creators, travelers, and adventure seekers, this little beast could easily become your new favorite companion. Thanks for watching GadgetVerse. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Keep creating, keep exploring, keep the adventure alive with GadgetVerse.